Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel in another Meet the Bags video. This is actually, I've done a Meet the Bags video on this one already, but I have modified the pattern, so I thought I'd do a re-Meet the Bags video. So I'd like to introduce you to my version of the Trailblazer backpack. I have modified it in a few ways, such as now it only has the one crossbody strap, which also works as the backpack strap, which means you don't have three straps to keep track of for this bag. You only have the one. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it's amazing to do with a print that you may want to show off or highlight. It's such a beautiful bag. You have a zipper pocket in the flap here. Underneath the flap, you have a large slip pocket on the back. You have, once your crossbody strap is at its longest length, you have the adjustable backpack straps, and then you can take this off and then it attaches for a crossbody strap as well. It also has, this one I've made for a client, so this can be a slip pocket or a luggage sleeve like I've made here, as well as a nice decent sized zipper pocket right here. Top zip closure. Now the bag, if you're one of my clients and you're ordering this, the bag will come with one slip pocket and a zipper pocket on the inside. My client actually asked if I could put a slip pocket in for her MacBook, so I have done that. And then on the opposite side, I have my decorative zipper pocket and two slip pockets there as well. I can customize it to whatever you would like it to be. Anyways, this is one of my favorite bags to make. I swear, it is the perfect carry-on bag. It's the perfect baby bag. It can be an everyday bag. It's a nice and large one. It's completely convertible to what you need. I use this, I have one of these and I use it as my carry-on when I travel. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you'd like to order one of these, you know what to do. All of my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, I do have a tutorial on this one. I actually have two tutorials on this one. One was my second ever tutorial I did on my channel, and it's like 4 hours long, so I have renamed that one as more of a sew along type video. And then we have the condensed tutorial in my new format, which will be up shortly if it isn't already. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.